Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing some heart movement for our heart space to really open up and receive. When the heart space is blocked up with a lot of anger and burden and pain, it becomes hard to receive because that space, that area is taken up by something. So what we're going to do today is get that energy moving and flowing through your heart space so that you can actually unblock it and get more of the love and the joy that you really want to receive. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to get on the floor. You can have a yoga mat or not. It really is up to you and your comfort level. You can sit on a little pillow. For me, I am just sitting here on my carpet, and we're going to go ahead and get started with the movement. Just breathe, relax, loosen up, and get ready to open up your heart and receive.
So go ahead and get started by getting comfortable, taking a couple of deep inhales into the belly, up into the chest, and releasing out of the mouth. Really focusing on getting a nice deep breath. Go ahead and start circling your shoulders, loosening them up, getting prepared to do some movement, really focusing in on the heart space. The first movement we're going to be doing is called heart circles. Keep your chin up as you bring your chest forward, and as you go backwards, bring your chin down to your chest, creating a large circle, breathing the entire way around. You can close your eyes if you like, just to connect deeper to your heart space. Keeping these big circles nice and wide. Feeling into that heart space and what it's trying to tell you right now. On this next circle, we're going to switch sides and start to turn in the opposite direction. Keeping our chin up as we move forward and bringing it to our chest as we round out the back. Let's do our final circle and come back to a breath. Into the belly, up to the chest, then out of the mouth. Our next movement is going to be the heart openers, where we bring our hands in front of us, around behind us, and then up and over our head, one by one, in a circular motion. So bring your hands in front of you, sweep them across the floor, then behind you, over your head, behind you again, the next hand goes over your head, and the cycle continues. As you go through this motion, with every extension of your hand, imagine your heart space expanding. I really want you to feel into that. Every single time you raise your hands, your heart space is expanding. You can close your eyes during this movement to help deepen the practice. This is such a beautiful practice for learning reverence, grace, and seeing how such a simple movement can bring such a sense of gratitude. The next time that you reach the front, I want you to go ahead and switch sides, reversing this circle so that you are going in the opposite direction. As you continue these circles, I want you to ask yourself what you're releasing and what you're calling in. With every movement, what are you releasing and what are you calling in? Go ahead and complete one more round of this, and when you get to the front, I just want you to stretch forward, feeling into the ground. Go ahead and bring your hands to your heart space, taking a couple more cleansing breaths. For our next movement, we'll be using our hands to create a heart shape on our chest, really moving our entire torso, our entire body into it. So start off by just increasing the breath that you're already taking, bringing your shoulders in and out, adding your whole entire body into the movement as you rock back and forth and breathe, creating hearts with your hands on your chest, opening your chest up to spirit, opening your heart up to spirit, releasing whatever it is that might be sitting on your heart right now, fully surrendering, allowing the breath to be your guide in and out, forward and backward, embracing this beautiful euphoric feeling that you're feeling right now. Do one more circle and then come back to a seated position. Our next move, you're going to need to be on your side. We're going to extend our hands above our head with our legs open. So go ahead, get comfortable on your side, lift that leg and stretch that hand out, bringing it down onto your body as you come back down. With every extension, opening up and surrendering to spirit, feeling into how good your body feels when it's stretched in this way. Go ahead and do one more extension all the way up to the sky and switch sides, moving your legs to the other side, opening them again and extending. What is the truth of your heart? What are the deepest desires of your heart? Extend one last time as we get into the next movement. Rise up from your knees and extend your chest to the sky. With every extension, opening up and expanding your capacity to love, to feel just a little bit more with every breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhaling love and exhaling fear. Embracing and accepting the truth of who you are, a powerful being. Go ahead and finish up as we move back into our open hearts, circling in a heart motion on our chest, opening and expanding, preparing our heart space to receive all of the love and the blessings that Spirit has for us. Remembering how worthy and divine you truly are. That everything that you deserve is yours because it is your birthright. You are deserving of love. You are deserving of abundance. You are deserving of everything that Spirit has for you. It is safe to love, and it is safe to open your heart. Take a deep breath into your belly, bringing it up to your chest and releasing it. Go ahead and take one more big breath in and release it. Thank you for spending this sacred time with me. I hope to see you again soon.